2017 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.